Hello and welcome to our free YouTube channel Nagalkar Study Center. In the particular video we are discussing today about the NTPC examination, that is RRB, which is conducted by RRB, NTPC exam which is conducted by RRB. We are discussing also the exam pattern, and we are also discussing the exam syllabus also in the video. So before we start the video, first of all, you people, those who fill the form of NTPC, particularly for the student who fill the form of NTPC, this video is very useful for the beginners who are actually preparing for the RRB NTPC railway examination. Okay, so before we start the discussion about the RRB NTPC examination, this exam, particularly what is NTPC? That is non-technical popular category. Okay, non-technical popular category means there are so many posts including in the non-technical field. This exam is conducted by RRB, that is Railway Recruitment Board, will conduct the exam of NTPC for the postage. There are different postages. We are discussing, that is junior clerk cum typist, account clerk cum typist, junior clerk keeper, train clerk. There are many posts. There are 13 posts. Okay, there are 13 posts in the NTPC examination. So we are discussing about the various posts and various examination for the particular post, and we are discussing various stage of this examination. We are also discussing that for particular post what kind of examination will be held. We are also discussing the syllabus. Okay, so let's start the discussion. First of all, let me tell you, the RRB NTPC exam, which is held in the different stage. Stage 1, that is called CBT, computer based test. Okay, this computer based test is common for all posts. First exam will be held on the different date, will be held on different dates. This exam will be common for the same all post. Okay, all post, which is 13 posts, which we were fill in the form, that is I will told you. Okay, so the stage 1, that is CBT exam is compulsory for the all posts. So let we discuss first of all the CBT, what including in the CBT first, that is computer based test, including what first. We are discussing the CBT 1 exam. Okay, this is computer based test, will be including mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning, general awareness. Okay, total 100 mark paper. 90-minute duration of this examination will be for all students who are applied for the form of this examination NTPC. Let we discuss. In the mathematics, there are number of question is 30 and the total marks you have 30. And general intelligence and reasoning, okay, general intelligence and reasoning, 30 question, 30 marks. Okay, general awareness include, we will discussing also particularly for the math including subtopic, and the general intelligence and reasoning also including the subtopic, and also the general awareness including which topic. First we discussing the exam pattern, then we will discuss the core syllabus of the RRB NTPC. Okay, so general awareness 40 question, 40 marks, total 100 question. Okay, 100 marks, each have 1 marks and 0.33, that is 1/3 is negative. Okay, you wrong one question, deduct 0.33 mark from your score. Okay, from the right your attempt. So this is the process of this examination for the all 13 posts, which is common for all. Now after that there is second stage, that is called CBT 2. There are different level for different stages. We are discussing for the junior clerk cum typist. There are common exam first, and there is CBT second exam. CBT second exam, what kind of second exam? In the CBT second exam, there is only the level of question is change, mark will change, and the difficulty will be rise in the CBT second examination. We are discussing mathematics 35 marks in the CBT second examination, which is held by the RRB NTPC, will be in the, after you qualifying the first examination, you qualify after the first stage, you will appear for the second stage. So in the second stage mathematics, there are number of question 35, total mark 30. General intelligence and reasoning 35 marks, 35 questions. General awareness 50 questions, 50 marks, total 120 marks, 120 questions they will be there, and the time is 90 minutes. For the NTPC RRB NTPC stage 1 exam there are 90 minutes. For the second stage there are also 90 minutes. So but in the first stage there are 10-12 basis mathematics, reasoning and the general awareness, but in the second stage there are difficulty will be rise because the competition will be rise, and when you qualify for the post the difficulty will be rise. Okay. So after completing the second stage there are typing test, computer based test and the document verification for the various stage we are discussing. Okay, let's discuss first. For the junior clerk cum typist there are common exam for first and the common level for the second level. Okay, there is typing test. Okay, only third stage, on the third stage there are typing skill test. Okay, typing skill test, that is called typing skill test in the junior clerk cum typist. In the second post account clerk cum typist, first CBT is common for all. I have already told you. Second level is same, and typing skill test for the post. So the first 5, let me tell you, for the first 5 posts there are stage 1 and stage 2 is same, but for the train clerk, that is post number 4, there are no typing skill test for the train clerk. Okay, for the train clerk there are no typing test. Okay, so this is, remember the point. For the train clerk, for the post of train clerk there are no typing test. There are separate level of third post, there are third level of examination. Okay, separate for level 3. Okay, now we are discussing the 5th, 6th, and we are also discussing 13 post also. For the 5th post commercial cum ticket clerk there are separate level third post and there is no typing test or computer test. Okay, there are for the second stage there are no second stage, there are different level of third stage. Okay, in the post 6 traffic assistant, in the traffic assistant post there are separate level of fourth stage, and there is a computer based aptitude test in the after qualifying the second stage, that is second stage not, there are level 4th stage. Okay, in the 7th post good guard, in the good guard it is common for all. Okay, common for all. Okay, the level 7. Then 8 senior commercial cum ticket clerk, there are also first stage, second stage, and there is no computer based test. Senior after that senior clerk cum typist, there are level 5 post. Okay, this level is measuring the highest pay salary. Okay, so there are, I am also mentioned the level in the 7 PCS examination, CPS examination. There are for the first 4 posts there are second level of test. Third for the 5th post there are third level of, for the 6th post there are 4th level of examination, and the 7th and 8th and 9 there are 7, 8, 9 and 10 for the 5th level of examination, and there is also typing test for the all examination which is for the post 10, for the post of 10. Okay, after that senior timekeeper post, same level of examination. After that post number 12 commercial apprentice. Okay, commercial apprentice, 6th level, common for all 6th level. Okay, there is no computer based test for this commercial apprentice. After that station master, for the station master stage 1 is simple, as like I was told you the CBT 1. CBT 2 is common for all level 6 and 7, which is including for the also station master, and after that computer based test for the this post. Okay, so we discuss. Now we discussing what kind of syllabus. Okay, in the syllabus including math, general intelligence and reasoning, and also including general awareness. Okay, so let's we discuss one by one, what including in the math, what including in the general intelligence and reasoning, and what including in the general awareness. Let's discuss. In the mathematics there are including number system. Okay, problem will be on number system, and also simple interest, compound interest problem, ratio and proportional, time work, profit and loss, mensuration, percentage problem, decimal, fraction, time and distance, geometry, elementary algebra, elementary statistics, and some miscellaneous questions on mathematics. Okay, in the general intelligence and reasoning there are analogies, puzzles, Venn diagram, syllogism, coding, decoding, similarities and differences, analytical reasoning, data sufficiency, data conclusion, statement conclusion, statement course of action, mathematical operation, relationship, jumbling, interpretation of graphs, maps, and some miscellaneous question based on general intelligence and reasoning. Some data interpretation, there are also some prices, also some comparison question, also there are some mathematical operations also. Okay, in the general awareness including Indian polity and governance, geography of India, current affairs, science, in science including physics, chemistry, biology. Okay, and there is also including some Indian economics portion. Okay, there are many part in the current affair. There are including Indian literature, sports related question, current including vast syllabus, minimum 15 question you are accepted in the examination of RRB NTPC on the basis of current examination. So we are discussing this all. So we remember that this exam will be held in the first stage is common for all. The recruitment process will be involved. The stage are two stage. Okay, the first stage is computer based exam, second stage is also CBT, that is computer based examination. This I am telling you that this exam will be based on computer only. Okay, this total examination is based on the computer. Okay, after that typing skill, computer based exam test as applicable for the post, and for the some post there is no computer based examination, directly document verification or medical. What kind of medical examination will be held there for the some post, that is including train clerks, that is goods guard. There is no document verification directly after completing the second stage. Okay, for the post of commercial apprentice there is no third level of examination. After that medical examination will be held there, or the document verification process will be held there. So in the video we are discussing the whole syllabus and the process of RRB examination. Thank you very much for watching this video.